My name is Shedrick Samson, and I created this. I love cars, fast cars. A few years ago, I started off like every other car manufacturers did at the start. I made a small scale model to bring my design idea to a realistic 3D environment. I didn't stop sketching designs. I just got bored of the impractical small scale model every sat wherever I placed it. But I found an easier solution, which was rendering my sketches on my iPhone using a photo editing app called Snapseed, and I only got better and better. I later gathered enough courage to take on the uneasy task of building a mid-sized vehicle. Although being my very first experience, I learned the hard way, and I was just never satisfied with the results, so scrap. Race machines.
V8, they got less power.
I specifically love the FIA Championship Series because the race design is insane engineering. Pay attention to the shape and size of the main cup chassis, and it gave me a concept start. And so I began another journey. I first purchased a couple of large plastic barrels, made cuts on each of them, married them together like a sandwich, tightly bolted to one another. I purchased a third mid-sized barrel to begin the strengthening process. I added a metal sheet to make it stronger, and then there was a subframe. I was quite happy. I knew I had to secure the plastic barrel monocoque chassis, PBMC, so I named it to the metal pipe running along both sides, chain disc, drive axles, CV joints, roll hubs. This makes up a complete driveline. Back to clamping. I began building a bunch of plastic washers. This will ensure that the PBMCs clamped nicely to the pipe, running along both sides. I began drilling and securing the clamps to the sides. Great success. I've been able to complete the other side. You understand? We've cut it also. So both sides set. I began welding on the center driveline, which rotates the entire drive shaft. Here is my welder, helping me fabricate the piece. And then went further to strengthen the subframe at the front, and so we did at the back. And here's a review of the driveline parts being made. It's a little bit wobbly, but at the end I'm going to test it and see if it works. And if it doesn't, I will try the process. Here's what it's looking like so far. And then I did a sit test, which I will show you guys we're gonna love, just so you guys have an idea of how rigid it is. I know my sitting position seems a little bit uncomfortable, but trust me, it isn't. Here's a go-kart sitting position. I only sat that way because I discovered that I put epoxy earlier, and I was gonna get stained with epoxy. Sucks, innit? Well, here's a pre-roll footage for you guys.